Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these fancy tassels. So let's get started. I'm going to use some cotton yarn. And I'm just going to use this yarn label and I'm going to fold it over to the length that I would like my tassel to be. And I'm going to take my yarn and I'm going to wind it around as many times as I would like. Like that, and I have wound it around 30 times. And then I'm going to cut my yarn, and then I'm going to cut another length. And I'm going to pass it through, and I'm going to tie it here at the top. And now I can slide this off, like that. And now I'm going to cut this open. And there's my knot. So I'm going to turn this so that my knot is on the inside. Like that. And I'm going to cut another length, approximately 20 inches long. Now I'm going to form a loop down at one end. And I'm going to place the loop here. And I want to make sure this is longer than my tassel so that I can find it easily. I'll just trim these two off. So that's going to be my end. And I have my loop here at the top. And there's my long section. And I'm going to start winding it around the yarn tassel. And you can wind it as many times as you like. So I'm going to do that many times. And now I'm going to pass the end through this loop, like that. And then I'm going to take my long end, and I'm going to pull that through. And I'm going to pull that end right down inside my coiled section. And then I can trim off these two ends. Like that. At the top of the tassel, I'm going to insert a crochet hook and pull my yarn through. And then tie a knot. And then I can pull that short end down inside. And now I'm going to insert my hook back underneath that loop. And I'm going to pull the yarn through. And I'm going to work a chain. Like that. I've chained 30. And then I'm just going to insert my hook into that loop and pull the yarn through. And then I can cut that off. And then I'll wind it around the base here a couple of times. And pull that yarn through. Like that. And you could use it just like that, but I'm going to add some beads. So I'm going to insert my hook through the bead and then pull that loop through. Like that. And then I'm just going to add a jump ring to the top. And there's the finished tassel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.